Hello, I'm in a 2018 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you how to set your time and date. So first, just start the vehicle so everything's loaded, and then from your main screen here, your home screen, we'll go to settings, and then time and date, and then here we can set either the 24-hour or 12-hour time. You can change the way you want your date to display, day, month, day, year, etc. And then we can auto set, so it'll just sync up to the cell network if you like, or you can manually set everything by here, which again, up or down is needed. So your hours, minutes, and AM, PM. And then your date, same process for your month, day, year, etc., etc. When you get it to where you want, it just auto saves. So when you back out, it'll still be set like we just set it. But I hope all that was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.